Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of FIFA. FIFA said on Tuesday it had received complaints from South Africa and Benin after the countries suffered defeats last weekend, which eliminated them from 2022 World Cup qualifying in Africa. South Africa lost a Group G decider 1-0 to Ghana over a questionable penalty after Daniel Amati appeared to dive. In a statement, SAFA said, "We have received a complaint from the South African Football Association in relation to this matter and we will review it." South Africa won the match replayed and there is a precedent as they had a 2018 World Cup qualifying win over Senegal cancelled after scoring from a wrongly awarded penalty. Senegal won the replay and went on to qualify for the finals in Russia. Meanwhile, Benin are appealing a 2-0 loss to the Democratic Republic of Congo in Kinshasa, which cost them first place in Group J. They said the Congolese made 4 substitutions on 4 separate occasions during the top-of-the-table clash. FIFA regulations permit sides to make up to 5 substitutions during a match, but only during 3 windows. A Benin Sports Ministry official told the reporters that they have asked FIFA to take the relevant measures after this obvious violation of rules. Bafana should take this as a lesson and try and score many goals as they can, because if they really scored many goals, we wouldn't be in this situation. What's your take on this particular situation, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 online channel loves you. Bye good people.